Hello everybody, I'm Pittsburgh Plays, and today I'm just going to do a really quick tutorial on how to switch onto dark mode. So for any fans, I really apologize for not uploading for very long. The reason behind that is I just don't have video ideas. I don't have time to upload also. Editing takes up quite a bit of my time, so does recording. I know it's only 10 minutes, but it usually takes much longer than that, so I apologize for that, as I am working to get more videos out for you. Alright, so onto the tutorial. It's raining outside pretty hard, so I apologize if you hear any noises and my Wi-Fi is pretty slow. But we're gonna go and click on the right top, the little gear. You're gonna click on it, click settings. Um, Sorry for the long wait. I know it may seem long, I don't know, but I don't have the fastest Wi-Fi in the world, so I apologize for that. And when we have loaded onto my settings, we're gonna see it's like gender, language, location, theme. And for theme, that's where we do it. So we click, and when you press it, we're gonna have two little. Oh, my eyes. Oh, shoot, bruh. That hurts. We're gonna stay with dark mode because dark mode rocks. And that's dark mode for you there. Cause light mode. Oh my God, bro. It hurts my eyes, but that's the quick little tutorial there for you guys. Please like and subscribe down below. It shows a lot of support for the channel, and if this video reaches at least 10 likes, I'm gonna make an upload right away. So you guys better like the video, subscribe down below, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope I helped you. Peace out, boys.